Welcome back to the channel, tech fans. We've got something really special to share with you today. Have you ever wanted top-tier tech without the eye-watering price tag? What if I told you that you could get as good as new performance with a full warranty and save a bundle? Well, today we're diving deep into exactly that with the IUI IS8100M-363-40 refurbish. This isn't just another product review. It's about smart choices and incredible value that you absolutely need to know about. Now, the word refurbished sometimes gets a bad rap, but let me tell you, the IUI is redefining what that means. This isn't just a used product slapped back in a box. The IS8100M-363-40 we're looking at today is meticulously inspected, rigorously tested, and professionally restored to function and look, well, as good as new. What does that mean for you? It means you're getting the same cutting-edge performance, the same reliability, and the same sleek aesthetics as a brand new unit, but at a significantly more accessible price point. Imagine getting that incredible computing power, that seamless user experience, without the financial strain. It's about smart tech consumption, getting maximum value for your hard-earned money, and even contributing to a more sustainable tech future by extending the life of these fantastic devices. This isn't a compromise. It's a savvy choice for anyone who demands quality without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more, and this is truly a game changer. The biggest concern often associated with refurbished products is reliability. Will it last? What if something goes wrong? The IUI completely demolishes that concern with an incredible 12-month warranty on all new products sold from their store. Let that sink in for a moment. A full year of coverage. This isn't some short 30-day promise. This is a company standing firmly behind the quality of their refurbishment process. For you, the user, this translates into absolute peace of mind. You can invest in this IS8100M-363-40 with the confidence that if any unforeseen issue arises within that year, the IUI has your back. It completely removes the risk, making this refurbished option not just attractive for its price, but incredibly reassuring for its long-term support. It's like getting the best of both worlds. New product confidence with refurbished savings. Now, let's talk about the shopping experience itself, because that's just as important as the product. The IUI goes above and beyond to ensure you're not just buying a product, but gaining a trusted partner. They explicitly state that they value your shopping experience, and if there's any dissatisfaction, they want you to communicate with them first to solve the problem, promising a satisfactory answer. This isn't just lip service. It's a commitment to customer satisfaction. How many times have you dealt with a company where getting help felt like pulling teeth? With the IUI, they're inviting you to reach out, to share your concerns, and they're ready to provide solutions. This level of proactive, customer-first service is rare and incredibly valuable. They even mention proactively contacting you via email in case of significant price fluctuations or out-of-stock situations, ensuring transparency and keeping you informed. This means no surprises, just a smooth, supported purchasing journey from start to finish. So what does all this mean for you? The IUI IS8100M-363-40 refurbish isn't just a product, it's a smart decision. It's the opportunity to own premium technology, backed by an exceptional 12-month warranty, and supported by a company that genuinely cares about your satisfaction. You get the performance, the reliability, and the peace of mind, all while being kind to your wallet and the planet. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade, because it's here, it's affordable, and it's absolutely reliable. If you're ready to experience top-tier tech without the top-tier price, and with complete confidence, then you absolutely need to check out the IUI IS8100M-363-40 refurbish. Find the link to purchase and more details directly in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible value. Your next tech upgrade is just a click away.